This mini portable mop doesn't just clean, it does so with a touch of innovation. The microfiber mop head effortlessly lifts away dirt, spills, and stains, ensuring a thorough and efficient cleaning experience. Whether you're dealing with unexpected spills, cleaning up after your furry friend, or maintaining a tidy workspace, Moby Swirl Mini Mop becomes the guardian of your cleanliness, offering convenience in the palm of your hand. It's not just a mop, it's a symphony of portable cleanliness. Versatility is Moby Swirl Mini Mop's virtue. It doesn't just confine itself to specific surfaces, it adapts to your diverse cleaning needs. The portable design allows for easy storage in your bag, car, or office drawer, ensuring that you have instant access to cleanliness whenever you need it. Whether you're at a picnic, working in a shared workspace, or simply need to clean up a spill at home, Moby Swirl Mini Mop is a multitasking marvel that reinvents the art of portable cleaning. It's not just a mop, it's an avant-garde solution to your on-the-go cleanliness. Operation is a breeze with Moby Swirl Mini Mop. No need for complicated setups or intricate instructions. The user-friendly design ensures that you can easily unfold and activate your mini mop with a simple push, providing you with a quick and efficient cleaning solution. The sturdy construction ensures durability, making Moby Swirl Mini Mop a reliable cleaning companion for your unexpected messes. It's not just a mop, it's an easy upgrade to a world of portable cleaning efficiency. But what about durability? Moby Swirl Mini Mop doesn't just prioritize style, it prioritizes longevity. Crafted from high-quality materials, it withstands the demands of regular use. The microfiber mop head maintains its effectiveness over time, ensuring that your mini mop remains a reliable cleaning tool for the long run. It's not just a mop, it's a durable investment in the convenience of your on-the-go cleanliness. Now, let's talk about the experience. Moby Swirl Mini Mop isn't just a cleaning tool, it's a sensory delight. The smooth glide of the mop, the efficient cleaning action, and the overall enhancement of your cleaning routine, it's a symphony of modern cleanliness. The experience isn't just about cleaning up messes, it's about turning every unexpected spill into a harmonious blend of convenience and tidiness. That is it for today. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.